Hello everyone, my name is Amit Bisht from Ghaziabad. I have completed B.Sc from CCS University in 2021. I had joined Evision on 12 June 2022. In just 45 days, I have completed my online job internship program here and then got selected in HCL Technologies with a salary package of 2.5 lakhs. I found a best online institute for my entire career start in IT domain. I was so much hesitate to join online training, but after doing proper research, I got to know Evision are providing online training on job internship. Evision trainers conducted one day of first day joining in mock interview was developed my confidence up to 100%. Thank you so much for all of you. For this, I was convinced to start my career IT field. Thank you once again, Evision, for the support. Thank you.